Base Reger, Impressionist, Cliffness and Tutor. My name is Yolanda Ramos Suarez. I am 29 years old and you live in the municipality of Talcahuela. My married marital status, you live and the 10-year-old here. Currently 9th semester course of the psychology. That said de Pitalito Huila. Name of the movie Memento, Synopsis. Leonard Snelby was an insourcing agent dedicated every day to investigate the death of the wife who was killed at the hands of individuals which Leonard feels remember. While trying to stop the culprit, you suffered a blow to the head that left you unconscious. Upon waking from the blood, his memory was damaged. He suffered from a rare disease that had no cure. Why prevent you from writing memories in the short team? Leonard Sbill, the last portrait the cues in the head is that of his wife's death. All the memories he still in this memory were removed when a way huge. Leonard Sbill's clan is named by very well and mine details of the past could not store new memories to find the mothers of the wife you has the hill or at instant camera and several notes to trunking his boy. What do you Leonard about the movie? A spectacular series alludes to the suit and still human behaviors at the loss of memory and the observed capacity that on us to overcome situation. It is very important that people count the importance of mental health and how to have good management and support the people who have a mental illness. Who did the movie make you feel? There are moments of confusion. Pierce is transmitted to us as the protagonist feel in the those moments of his life, but at the same time, always us to understand and not hide certain situations and the behaviors. How does the movie relate of the academic program you are studying? This movie helps us to make an observation analysis of the human behaviors of the protagonist of the movie and the behaviors of the people out here. Why for full psychology purpose very important. Thank you.